Boom, you got him. Boom, you got him.
This is a spot Jackson just cut for deer hunting, and he hasn't even put corn in it, and he's got lots of deer. This is one among many pictures. These are new puppies, Major and Hooks. Alright, so first things first to show you right here. I got my blender. I got this little stake right here. You see this? That was there from when I planted my soybeans. It's to mark out where I'm planting. So, because I did this, I can now see where the food plot was when I come back and spread this. So, since I'm gonna raise it up high like this and spread, I normally spread, but I'm not using the trigger. I'll hold it up like this so I have plenty of coverage, and then hopefully we have a good crop. Alright, here we go. Alright, now I'm going to have Nate time-lapse me using the crimper. I'm just going to show you on video, before we move over to time-lapse, what the crimper does. So, this is a homemade crimper that we got, that we had our dad build. He built for us and him. So, I'm just going to put my foot right here and then just every 6 to 8 inches come and kind of rock my weight on it and it crimps the grass over. So look, let me just show you. So that's a piece of grass. Alright, here we go. So see? So this is where crimping is. I don't know if you can see this piece of grass. Basically, the grass folds over in half like that with the crimp. And then it breaks any part for the nutrients to come through, and it's kind of like that. And then imagine a piece of grass trying to stand up when it's like that. Doesn't work. That's kind of how the crimping works. So I'm just going to rock my weight on it. I'm going to speed it up from here. And that's how you crimp. So you should go either make your own crimper or go online. RTP Outdoors sells one, so check that one out. That's it for right now.